Good morning. You are listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from Lavapara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 20th June from around the world. LCA stands off Chinese troops didn't enter our territory, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi at all-party meet. We should prepare long-term and short-term strategies to face China's aggressive attitude. There should not be any hasty act from our side under any circumstances, Telangana's Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao said. Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh urges centre to issue ultimatum to Beijing to vacate Galwan Valley territory immediately, with a clear warning that failures to do so would lead to serious consequences for them, an official statement said in Chandigarh. Our brave hearts taught them a lesson, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's top quotes at all-party meet. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that 20 of brave soldiers made the supreme sacrifice for the nation in Ladakh, but also taught a lesson to those who had dared to look our motherland. Due to increased patrolling at LAC, we are now more alert and aware of all the activities happening in the region. I assure you all that our security forces are fully capable of protecting our borders, Prime Minister Narendra Modi at all-party meet. Attended the all-party meet chaired by Prime Minister Modi, meeting had an unequivocal message. India is one when it comes to national security. All parties are proud of our armed forces and their valor and have full faith in them to defend our sovereignty and territorial integrity, Home Minister Amit Shah said. COVID-infected Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain brought to Max Hospital admitted in ICU. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, who is battling COVID-19, was on Friday shifted to the ICU of Max Hospital here from a city government facility after his condition deteriorated, sources said. Coronavirus update. Delhi LG order stopping home isolation of all those who have tested positive in the state and instead make institutional quarantine for 5 days mandatory. India saw another record for highest number of COVID cases in India. 13,586 that took the country's total to 3,80,532. Chennai has been put under another spell of total lockdown till June 30, along with 3 other districts to curb the spread of the virus. Lockdown provided breathing space to ramp up testing, health infrastructure, says government. Nasik city crossed 1,000 marks of COVID-19 patients. 75 more were tested positive on Friday, taking tally of COVID-19 patients to 1,052 with total of 51 deaths. In India, total confirmed cases are 3,80,532 and 12,573 deaths. With the COVID-19 fatalities in West Bengal, with 11 COVID, death toll reaches 529 and 355 new cases push tally to 13,090, reports PTI. 217 new COVID cases reported in the state today, taking to the total of positive cases to 3,832, including 1,104 active cases and 92 deaths, Punjab Health Department said. 112 more COVID-19 positive cases in Bihar, taking the total to 7,290. Rajya Sabha election results, BJP wins 2 seats from MP, Congress gets 2 from Rajasthan. In the Rajya Sabha elections held on Friday, the BJP won 2 seats in Madhya Pradesh while the Congress got 1. In Rajasthan, the Congress won 2 seats in Rajya Sabha elections while the BJP got 1 seat in Rajya Sabha elections. US blames China for intrusion into India borders clashes. US President Donald Trump has warned that complete decoupling from China remains a policy option for Washington after summarizing that Beijing may have spread the coronavirus intentionally to economically damage the US and other countries. India's pursuit of global investors hits turbulence. Government closely monitorize repo rate cut transmission by banks to customers, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said on Friday. I, Nishi Sharma, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.